In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Pinterest save buttons on Squarespace websites. If you want visitors to quickly save your images to Pinterest and boost your reach, this built-in Squarespace option makes it easy. I'll walk you through it from your dashboard, explain what each screen means, and share a few quick tips to make sure it works the way you expect. First, sign into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to update. That brings you to your site's dashboard, where you can access all the settings for your design and marketing tools. Make sure you have the right site selected if you manage more than one. The save buttons are enabled per site. From the dashboard, open Settings. This is where Squarespace groups together controls for domains, design, and marketing features. Instead of digging through menus, we'll use the built-in search to jump straight to what we need. Click into the search field at the top of Settings. Using the search here is faster and helps you land on the exact setting without guessing which category it's under. Type Pinterest in the search bar. You should see an option labeled Pinterest Save Buttons appear in the results, typically under the marketing area. Select that result to open the feature page. This page controls where the Pinterest Save Buttons display across your site, and it's where you enable the feature for your content. Inside the Pinterest Save Button screen, look for the option labeled Enabled for Blogs and Pages. Turn that on. When this is enabled, Squarespace adds a Save Button overlay to images on your regular pages and blog posts, making it easier for visitors to pin your visuals directly to their boards. On desktop, the Save button usually appears when someone hovers over an image. On mobile, it may appear when they tap the image. Squarespace saves this change automatically, so there's nothing else to submit. After enabling it, open a page or a blog post with images to confirm the Save button appears. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page, try an incognito window, or check your browser's cache. Also note that some custom code or certain image blocks can affect overlays. If you've heavily customized your theme, test a standard image to compare. That's it. By navigating to your site, opening Settings, using the search to find Pinterest Save Buttons, and enabling it for blogs and pages, you've made your images instantly more shareable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra visibility those pins can bring to your content.